Yeah, g'day, I'm Ryan Hewitt, Managing Director of Archon Civil. Archon Civil's work ranges from infrastructure programs, civil roadworks. We do a lot of bulk earthworks, as well as helping out companies that do hourly hire in and around Canberra. We have a fleet of over 30 bits a year, and in that fleet we have about 8 CAT machines. And behind me we have one of my 140 graders that's coming in for the CAT certified rebuild. With the CAT certified rebuild, we'll be giving the 140H a new lease on life. One of the other reasons we went with the CAT certified rebuild was that most of our operators know and love 140Hs, purely the fact is it's got steering wheel and levers. It's a sort of different feel you get with that sort of grader, different sort of style of grading, same result, but just it's a different era then. The other consideration for the 140H CAT certified rebuild was the dollar figure amount was a lot less for us, and it worked with our budget coming into 2024. So with the CAT certified rebuild, you know that you're getting genuine parts, genuine oils, you've got genuine CAT mechanics working on it, doing the proper procedures.
We recommended a CAT certified rebuild for Ryan's 140H. We decided that it was best that he address the entire powertrain in this machine. From a total cost of ownership point of view, it worked out much cheaper for him to address it all at once in a certified rebuild. Some of the product updates, they can be hardware or software related. A common one is attaching a product link to your machine. That gives you access to our Vision Link system, allows you to track things, location, on-off times, fuel burn. Some of the same warranties that you'd see with a new machine actually come with a CAT certified rebuild too. We're actually sending this out with a CVA, which is a customer value agreement. So this machine is going to be put back to work, and we're going to continue to maintain it and make sure that along with CAT genuine parts, it stays operating at 100%, and Ryan can focus on what he does best.
The highest level of rebuild is a certified machine rebuild, which is a like new machine. We are changing every part component. We're repainting the machine. If it's a tracked machine, it will have a new undercarriage on it. We also have a certified powertrain rebuild, which is the tier below. At this stage, we certify every component and change them out to a certified level. The next level below that is a certified component rebuild, which we might do an individual component. And then below that, we have the option to reseal or change the bearings in the machine. If we just want to extend the life for a shorter period of time, we have an equipment protection plan that will stand behind the parts and make sure that they don't have any issues when it gets back to work as well.
Going through our CAT dealer, we know that we're getting the technical support and aftercare that we need, and we know that everything's going to be all right with the machine. So this 140 behind me got brought in today, and in 4 weeks' time, it's good to know that it'll be back on site, ready to rumble. Here we are, the 140H graders completed. The boys are absolutely stoked in the final product and the way it looks. Pretty much blown away with the 4-week turnaround it took. It was amazing in how they did it. So obviously the graders was born in 2007, but after the rebuild was done, they've added all the new technology of a new grader. So along with all the new technology, it still has the old school levers and steering wheel, which I love.
So the rebuild process went exactly to plan. We knew everything from labour requirements to parts, and we made sure everything was happening at the right time. All the major components such as the engine, transmission, torque converter, differential and final drives have been restored to 0 hours. So we expect this machine to see an entire second life.
One of the new features in the grader is the product linked hardware. With that, we'll be able to use Vision Link to monitor the machine anywhere. The other aspect of Vision Link is to make sure the machine is running efficiently for not only us but our clients. Vision Link will keep us ahead of the game in terms of servicing and maintenance. With our customer value agreement, that covers our servicing for 3 years. We're really pleased with our decision to go with the CAT certified rebuild. It's met all our expectations. We have a massive amount of projects coming up, and giving this machine a new lease on life couldn't have come at a better time. It's rebuilt and ready to rumble.